Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Purnama Alfani Putri Irdi. Today I will present about genetically modified food. What is genetically modified food? GM was created through modern biotechnology techniques. GM has undergone a change or modification of genes that are not natural, engineered by humans by crossing or transferring genes from other biological types. This method is also known as GMO. What are examples that have been circulating? Various types of GM that have been available in Indonesia since the late 1990 include soybean, corn, and sugarcane. The genetically modified food is imported from countries that have grown and produced genetically modified food themselves. Indonesia itself has not succeeded in developing transgenic plants. What are the advantages of GM? Transgenic crops are more resistant to pests, viruses, and disease. It does not require a lot of pesticides because the nature of GMO plants is already immune to viruses or pests. Transgenic plants growth is faster. Transgenic food has a longer shelf life, does not rot quickly, so that the food supply increases. Modify the nature of the food so that the results are more suitable for needs. For example, transgenic potatoes can produce fewer carcinogens when fried. GMO food has a stronger and tastier taste and richer nutrients. Transgenic crops are more drought tolerant because they require few resources such as water and fertilizer. Disadvantage of genetic engineering. Ecosystem balance can be disturbed due to the dominance of GMOs over natural species. Warfare can be dangerous because of genetically engineered biological weapons. Health problems due to the use of genetically engineered food are proven allergic reaction. Pros cons of plants genetic engineering. Opponents argue that genetically engineering plants will cause health problems. Besides that, it can also destroy the balance of nature. The contra group also argue that the biotech companies that carry out genetic engineering experiments are only aiming for the maximum profit possible. Meanwhile, for the pro group, genetic engineering of these plants was carried out so that the farmer yields were optimal. The pro groups also make genetic engineering as a solution to dealing with the global food crisis. Genetically modified product, pharmaceutical product, genetic engineering technology in the pharmaceutical sector produces protein, vaccines, and antibiotics. In addition, xenotransplantation and gene therapy. Non-food product genetic engineering also touch on other fields such as livestock, plantation, and forestry. Food products genetic engineering techniques are also carried out on foodstuff, including tomatoes, corn, soybeans, canola, flowers, cabbage, cheese, milk flour, potatoes, rice, and so on. Is genetically modified food safe for consumption? In Indonesia, those responsible for testing and supervising GM are the Biosafety Clearing Center and the Food and Drug Administration in accordance with the mandate state in laws, conformal regulation, and joint cross-ministerial checklist. The safety test conditions include tests for toxicity, allergenicity, change in nutritional value to genetic change, as well as the substantial equivalence in the transgenic food. If substances or ingredients that are potentially harmful to health are found, genetically modified food will not be licensed for sale and distribution. This means that GM, which is already available in Indonesia, is safe for consumption. Benefit of genetic engineering. The application of genetic engineering is very helpful in meeting the needs of human life, including providing future food needs with better quality. It is used as an alternative source of renewable energy, for example, biomass and biofuel that can replace conventional energy sources, then better healthcare with more effective medicines, as well as better agricultural efficiency and relatively less use of chemical pesticides. Thank you for your attention. See you the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.